Are you ready to discover the secret weapon that's leaving doctors in awe? If you're over 50, this age-defying spice can revolutionize your life in ways you never thought possible. So, get ready to be amazed. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a sensational topic that's sure to captivate you. We all know that ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But did you know that recent studies have uncovered astonishing benefits that are particularly transformative for individuals over 50? That's right. This unassuming root is taking the health world by storm and leaving medical professionals astonished by its effects on health and vitality. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 ginger benefits that are making a profound difference in the lives of people over 50. We'll delve into the science behind these remarkable benefits and share some easy yet effective ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on this game-changing information that could revolutionize your health and well-being. So, stay tuned until the end, because we're going to unlock the secrets of this extraordinary spice that everyone is buzzing about. It's time to harness the power of ginger and start living your best life, regardless of your age. Let's get started. First, let's delve into ginger's remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. One of the most outstanding features of ginger is its potent anti-inflammatory abilities, primarily due to gingerol, a powerful bioactive compound. Think of gingerol as a superhero battling inflammation. As we age, our bodies undergo more wear and tear, which can be especially problematic for those over 50. Aches, pains, and joint stiffness can turn even the simplest tasks into monumental challenges. But worry not, because ginger is here to come to the rescue. The strong anti-inflammatory effects of gingerol can help alleviate those nagging joint pains and reduce inflammation, making it an essential ally for anyone dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Yet, the benefits of ginger's anti-inflammatory properties go beyond just pain relief. By reducing inflammation, ginger can significantly enhance overall mobility, which is vital for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle as we age. Whether it's enjoying a relaxing walk in the park or keeping up with the grandkids, ginger can help ensure you move with ease and comfort. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Pain Medicine highlighted the extraordinary benefits of ginger for older adults, revealing how it can significantly improve their quality of life. So, embrace ginger and let it support you in staying active and pain-free, no matter your age. The research team, led by Daly, Zhang, Kim, and Park, discovered that ginger can significantly alleviate pain, even outperforming conventional painkillers. Although the study primarily focused on menstrual pain in older women, the findings underscore ginger's powerful pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. These impressive benefits extend to various health concerns for older adults, including arthritis, digestive issues, and age-related inflammation. So, the next time you're feeling a bit stiff or achy, remember to turn to ginger, your trusty inflammation-fighting ally. Add a touch of this magical spice to your meals, or savor a warm, soothing cup of ginger tea to unleash its healing properties. Your body will thank you, and you might just find that age is merely a number when you have ginger by your side. Next, let's explore ginger's digestive health benefits. Ginger has long been celebrated as a reliable and effective natural remedy for a variety of digestive issues. For people over 50, this is a true godsend. As we age, our digestive systems can become more sensitive, leading to uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Such discomfort can spoil even the most enjoyable of dinner parties. But worry not, because ginger is here to save the day once again. Ginger works wonders in soothing the digestive tract. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. This not only reduces bloating and gas but also prevents indigestion. By promoting smoother digestion, ginger can help you feel more comfortable and at ease after meals. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine is simple and effective. Whether you grate fresh ginger into your meals, enjoy ginger-infused drinks, or take ginger supplements, the benefits are plentiful. For older adults, maintaining digestive health is crucial for overall well-being, and ginger offers a natural, tasty solution to keep your digestive system running smoothly. So, embrace ginger and let it work its magic on your digestive health. With its soothing properties, you can enjoy your meals without the worry of digestive discomfort, making every dining experience a pleasure. This unassuming root possesses a remarkable ability to support the proper functioning of the digestive system, soothing a turbulent tummy and providing much-needed relief. What's the secret behind ginger's digestive magic, you ask? It all comes down to its potent compounds, such as gingerols and 𝗕𝗘𝗡𝗥. These powerful elements work in harmony to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, allowing food to pass through more comfortably. It's like a gentle, internal massage. If you're over 50 and find yourself dealing with digestive issues more frequently, why not give ginger a try? With its long-standing history as a natural remedy, it's certainly worth considering. Simply add a pinch of ginger to your favorite recipes, enjoy a calming cup of ginger tea, or even snack on some candied ginger. Your digestive system will thank you, and you might find yourself feeling lighter, more comfortable, and ready to take on the world. Now let's discuss ginger's immune-boosting properties. For those over 50 whose immune systems may not be as robust as they once were, ginger's immune-boosting abilities are a true gift. As we age, our bodies become more vulnerable to infections and common illnesses, which can disrupt our plans and leave us feeling under the weather. But don't worry, because ginger is here to help. Ginger is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can enhance your immune response. These components help to combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which in turn strengthens your body's defenses against illness. Regular consumption of ginger can help keep your immune system in top shape, making it easier to fend off colds, flu, and other common ailments. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine is simple. You can add it to your meals, brew a warm ginger tea, or take ginger supplements. By making ginger a part of your diet, you can bolster your immune system and enjoy a healthier, more resilient life. So, embrace the power of ginger and let it support your immune health, ensuring you stay active and vibrant, no matter your age. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, ginger can help to fortify the immune system, empowering it to fend off those pesky germs and keep you feeling your best. But that's not all. The antioxidants in ginger do more than just support a healthy immune system. They also help neutralize free radicals, those notorious molecules that can wreak havoc on our bodies and contribute to a range of age-related health problems. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can damage cells, leading to inflammation and increasing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're not only strengthening your immune defenses but also taking a proactive approach to maintaining your overall well-being. Ginger's antioxidants can help reduce inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, and even support brain function, making it a true ally in your quest for a healthier life. So if you're over 50 and looking for a tasty and natural way to give your immune system a little extra oomph, why not give ginger a try? Add some zing to your meals with a sprinkle of ginger powder, cozy up with a steaming cup of ginger tea, or even indulge in a ginger-infused smoothie. With ginger in your corner, you'll be better equipped to fight off infections and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. In addition to these benefits, ginger's versatility in the kitchen makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can use it in savory dishes like stir-fries and soups, or in sweet treats like cookies and cakes. The possibilities are endless, and your immune system will thank you for the boost. So, embrace the power of ginger and make it a staple in your diet. With its myriad health benefits and delicious flavor, ginger is a natural choice for anyone looking to enhance their well-being and stay active and vibrant, no matter their age. Next, let's discuss ginger's remarkable ability to support cognitive health. This versatile spice not only adds a flavorful kick to your favorite dishes but also provides significant benefits for maintaining cognitive function, especially for those over 50. As we age, our brains may need a little extra care, and that's where ginger comes in. Research suggests that ginger may have neuroprotective effects, which can help preserve cognitive function and keep our minds sharp. Think of it as a personal trainer for your brain, helping to keep those mental muscles toned and ready for action. But how exactly does ginger work its brain-boosting magic? The secret lies in its rich supply of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and arch-nemesis of cognitive health. Oxidative stress is linked to various age-related cognitive issues, including cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you arm your brain with the tools it needs to fend off the harmful effects of oxidative stress and maintain optimal function. In addition to antioxidants, ginger also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce inflammation in the brain. Chronic inflammation is another contributor to cognitive decline, and by mitigating this, ginger helps to create a healthier environment for brain cells to thrive. Furthermore, some studies have shown that ginger can enhance brain function directly by improving reaction time and working memory. So, if you're over 50 and eager to keep your mind sharp and focused, consider adding a touch of ginger to your daily routine. Sprinkle some ginger powder into your favorite recipes, savor a soothing cup of ginger tea, or even experiment with ginger supplements. Ginger can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, offering endless culinary possibilities to enjoy its benefits. With ginger as your trusty cognitive sidekick, you'll be well equipped to tackle life's challenges and continue to dazzle the world with your mental prowess. Embrace the power of ginger to support your cognitive health, ensuring that your mind remains vibrant and agile as you age. Up next, let's explore how ginger can help with blood sugar regulation. Ginger is not only a culinary delight but also a powerful ally in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, particularly for those over 50. As we age, keeping our blood sugar balanced becomes increasingly crucial, especially for individuals at risk of developing type 2 diabetes or those already managing the condition. Enter ginger, the unsung hero of blood sugar regulation. This remarkable root has been shown to help manage blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to respond to insulin and maintain stable blood sugar. But how does ginger work its blood sugar balancing magic? The answer lies in its unique blend of bioactive compounds like gingerol and zingerone. These potent molecules enhance the body's response to insulin, ensuring glucose is efficiently absorbed by your cells and preventing blood sugar spikes that can wreak havoc on your health. Studies have demonstrated that ginger can lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve markers of long-term blood sugar control, such as HbA1c levels. By supporting better blood sugar management, ginger can help reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes, such as heart disease and nerve damage. So, if you're over 50 and looking for a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, why not give ginger a try? There are many delicious and easy ways to incorporate ginger into your diet. Add a pinch of ginger powder to your morning oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or sprinkle it on roasted vegetables. Enjoy an invigorating cup of ginger tea or experiment with ginger supplements to find what works best for you. By making ginger a regular part of your daily routine, you can harness its powerful blood sugar regulating properties and help keep your blood sugar on an even keel. This not only supports overall health but also helps you maintain energy levels and feel your best throughout the day. Embrace ginger as a natural and effective way to promote balanced blood sugar and take control of your health. With ginger by your side, you'll be better equipped to manage your blood sugar and embrace a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. And there you have it, the top 5 mind-blowing benefits of ginger that are leaving doctors speechless and transforming the lives of people over 50. We hope this video has inspired you to harness the power of this incredible spice and experience its life-changing effects for yourself. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you already enjoying the benefits of ginger, or are you excited to give it a try? Share your thoughts, experiences, and favorite ginger recipes in the comments below. We can't wait to read your stories. If you found this video enlightening and valuable, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Your likes help us spread the word about the incredible health benefits of ginger and reach even more people who can benefit from this age-defying miracle spice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content that will empower you to live your healthiest and happiest life. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest health tips, delicious recipes, and inspiring stories to keep you motivated on your wellness journey. Until next time, stay ginger-tastic and keep on thriving, no matter your age. Remember, with the power of ginger, you can take charge of your health and enjoy a vibrant, energetic life.